YouTube, what's going on, fellas? Afternoon, Ferocious Mgtow here, and as you all can see, I am rolling. I'm headed to Arkansas. It's just a regional run because I still got a few of those maintenance things to take care of, so I want to stay kind of regional so I can get back to the mechanic so he can knock these things out, and then I can open it up and really run full throttle. So this morning I was trying to get you all the video this morning, but this morning it just didn't work out. Started off with the trailer not having any brake lights. So luckily for us inside the yard, we have a third-party mechanic shop. So I had them take care of that. And then when I got ready to leave, when I got ready to leave, I had to regenerate my truck. You truck drivers will know about that. So that took about an hour. So the shipper was complaining that I was late. But I'm like, hey, I'm having mechanical problems. There's nothing I can do about it. So they sent one of the company guys to go get loaded for me. And as soon as he left, my regeneration was finished and I was ready to go. But since he had already left, which was cool, they gave me time to break over to the post office and get my things out of the P.O. box. And then I left there and went to the gym. Got about 45 minutes in on the treadmill, got some abs in and some lats, so it worked out pretty well. Got back to the yard, and as soon as I got back, the guy was pulling in with the load, so I hooked up to it, and now I'm rolling. So it didn't start off well, but we're gonna, make sure it ends well. So let me turn the camera on and give you all the video. Some things I'm noticing, and I'm sure you guys are noticing these things also. So I'm gonna go ahead and speak about it. You all can tell me what you all experiences are once I bring this subject up, and that is women ain't doing so hot financially, huh? More and more places I go, I see feminists, what I would assume is feminist women, or women who don't need men, are unemployed, big time. I'm seeing more and more women on the highway and byways holding signs saying homeless and hungry. And now I'm starting to see, not only am I starting to see women out there with signs saying hungry and homeless, they're out there with their children. And the children are holding signs saying hungry. And I'm like, wow, check that out. These can't be those same women who don't need us, who are leveling up, who champion that saying, a woman needs a man like a fish needs a bicycle. These can't be those same women. But lo and behold, these women are out there, and who you think is giving these women money when they're on the side of the road? These same men they don't need. It is so ironic that these same men that you don't need are the ones who put money in your little tin cup on the side of the highway. Because you know why? Men have hearts. We have empathy, sympathy, compassion, right? And if we see a woman out there with a baby, we feel almost obligated to give her something, considering the wealth of abundance we seem to possess. It's crazy. It is literally crazy, fellas. And as time go on with the plan PLAN-demic, the plandemic, we're going to start to see more and more of them out there. We're going to see more and more of them turn into the oldest profession. And guess what, fellas? The price of the nappy dugout is finna hit an all-time low. The price is gonna plummet in the coming months. It's amazing. We really get to see two collapses. One of society as a whole, and then the collapse of women. The collapse of the "I don't need a man" mantra. We need to put a pin in this place in history, this time in history. We need to put a time capsule. Maybe we need to get together, fellas, and come up with a Mgtow RedPill time capsule and mark this occasion of the fall of women. The fall of the "I don't need a man." The fall of a woman needs a man like a fish needs a bicycle. Yeah, that's what we need to do. Let's put together a time capsule and throw all these comments, these mantras, these slogans, these hashtags, these tropes, right? Let's put them all in a time capsule and mark this place in history. Yes, because I don't know. It's sort of a sweet irony to see them on the side of the road holding signs. You know, I don't really see many women contributing to women on the side of the road because themselves are basically in a catch-22. They can't afford to be generous. Okay? They can't afford to sympathize with the next AW's plight. And so they have to resort to going to the side of the road. You know you at rock bottom when you're on the side of the road with your kids, holding the sign in the hot sun. You need to be evaluating your life. You took a wrong turn somewhere. And where is that man who impregnated you? Where is he at? Because I know no decent dude will have you out here on the side of the road. So you probably went AWOL on a decent dude. Thought that you were going to go somewhere and level up. And you actually leveled down. Hey, I need to come up with a new saying, y'all. Level down. Level down to the basement. And you done level down to the point where you out here on the street with your child with a sign on the side of the road begging for change. Yeah, you took a wrong turn in your thinking somewhere. And we're going to see more and more of this. We're going to see more and more of them on the pole when the strip joints open back up fully. And we're going to see more and more in droves turn into the oldest profession. The price of that little peace leaf is gonna plummet because they finna flood the market with it. Mark my words, guys. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But it is what it is. What can we say? You know, we try to talk to you. We try to offer you a piece, an olive branch. You rejected it. You said you don't need us. And that thinking has got you to where you are in life. Welcome to rock bottom. But you know, when I see him on the side of the road, now I wanted to interview this woman, give her maybe $10 and make it contingent upon me interviewing her, but I didn't want to miss out at the gym. Next time when I got a free time and I see one, I may pull up, offer to give her $10, but she got to give me an interview, and I'm going to come up with like 5 hard-hitting questions that she has to answer. That way I'm in and out. And let's just see what got her to that point. Will she still blame men for the reason why she's on that corner, or will she take responsibility? I would definitely love to see the answer to that. So next time I get a chance, I will do that, and I will film it. And we're going to see in real time what these females think. But I didn't want to keep you guys long. I just wanted to bring you that. We winning, fellas. We are winning, right? Nobody's going to tell us that we're winning. So since nobody's going to tell us, I'm going to tell us. We're winning. So keep it up, winners. But until later, I got a little bit something else for y'all when I stop. So I'm going to go ahead and let you go for now. Let you get back to enjoying your day. So I hope everybody's well. Hope everybody's safe. I hope everybody's being good stewards of your health, because nobody else is going to make sure we're taking care of ourselves but us. I love you guys, and I'll bring you something a little later. Peace and hair grease. YouTube, what's going on, fellas? Ferocious Mgtow here. I said I was going to turn the camera on and let y'all see this. He ain't doing construction. Go the backbone of the nation right there.